Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Stephanie. I think this is almost 14 months since your procedure, and how fast did that fly by?
It flew by so quickly, and it has been life altering, ego altering. One of the best decisions I've ever made.
And you really had a history of traction alopecia where you were young and you made sure that you pulled on the hair as tight as could be and did things to your edges that obviously hindsight's 2020 you wish you never had done, but we got you your edges back. What do your friends and family say about your edges?
It's unbelievable to them. I think that the biggest thing is trying to get them to understand what happened, like how it happened. Everybody is under the impression that hair transplants come from some foreign place other than yourself. But I always tell them these are hairs that are native to me. Like these are my own hairs, just from a different area of my scalp.
You're getting them trimmed, you're getting them cut, you're cutting off the dead ends.
As African American little girls, what we are used to doing is applying a lot of pressure, because tightness oftentimes is equivalent to neatness. And we want to go ahead and slick and pull and yank, and it really is a disservice over time. And it doesn't happen immediately. Like for me, it didn't happen immediately. It didn't happen when I was 10 or, but by the time I was, I'd say 25, and I'm a good deal away, I could slowly see my hairline starting to recede. I would see little signs like pimples, and I would have pain. We have normalized all of these things. Having relaxers sit on my head until it was scorching my scalp.
Yep.
These things can be so damaging to your follicles, and over time, it might not happen immediately, but over time, that's why it's so important to change up.
I agree.
Wear braids, you can't wear them, for 6 months, or you can't wear them you have to integrate different hairstyles. I always say when you get braids, you have to pay attention to the tightness, and you have to yield, have your stylist. If it's tight, it ain't right.
I agree.
Tight, it ain't right, and you have to be able to speak up and say, listen, this is too tight. You can do things like hold the braid when she's braiding, not pull it up too tight. It's the tightness, it's the frequency of the hairstyle, and it is how long you wear the hairstyle.
I want to show everybody your sides. Let me see your edges. Let me have you.
Take a look.
Absolutely amazing.
And so if I was to equate a before and after, I would tell you that this whole row here was not available to be braided.
And we will put your the before pictures next to each other so that people can actually see the difference. Great. And what about the incision site?
Mm-hmm.
What about the incision site in the back?
There's nothing back there. That healed so quickly. It's almost like it was a dream. It didn't even happen.
And a lot of consults, the patients are always worried about the incision site. I'm like, within a month, 6 weeks, you won't even know it was ever there. So you mentioned confidence. Best decision you've ever decided to do as of now?
Absolutely. It has been to be able to wear my hair and not think of, well, if I wear that style, how am I going to mask the fact that I have no edges? Oh my gosh, I can't wear that style because I have no edges. And I would really venture to say that it has taken some years off of my appearance.
Definitely does. It definitely does.
Yeah, having a damaged hairline certainly ages you. So I would definitely venture to say that it gave me a little bit more of a youthful appearance.
I thank you so much for trusting in myself, my team, because it is a team effort. There is no I in team. And again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank you so much for offering to do this video and share your story with everybody. And this has been great.
Your team, amazing. Your team is absolutely amazing. The atmosphere that you place patients in is so calming, so relaxing. These guys are top tier with caring for their patient. It goes beyond the medical procedure. Clean facility. I mean, I couldn't ask for better. You guys were amazing. Shout out to J Books.
Well, I will definitely tell her you said so.
You all were amazing.